Today, we're diving into some important news from Texas that could affect businesses across the state as we head into 2025. We're going to discuss an important topic for every business owner: unemployment insurance. This system plays a pivotal role not only as a safety net for employees, but also in the financial health and strategic planning of businesses. I want to share how Texas has taken steps to stabilize these costs, ensuring that businesses can continue to thrive in a predictable financial environment. Unemployment insurance functions as a state mandated program that employers fund through taxes. These funds are then used to provide temporary financial aid to workers who lose their jobs without fault, such as layoffs or downsizing scenarios. The intent is to help these individuals cover basic needs while they seek new employment opportunities, ultimately aiding in economic stability. For businesses, the financial implications are twofold. First, the rates they pay are influenced by their turnover rates and the overall employment climate. High claims can lead to increased tax rates for the businesses, affecting their bottom line. Second, during economic downturns, when employment rates rise, businesses might see these costs escalate, which can squeeze their financial resources even further. Understanding and managing these costs is crucial for maintaining a healthy business operation, especially in volatile economic times. Governor Greg Abbott, along with other Texas leaders, has announced a plan to stabilize unemployment insurance rates to prevent increases next year. This comes at an important time as businesses face higher wages in an evolving market. In this initiative to stabilize unemployment insurance rates in Texas, several key figures have played a pivotal role. Governor Greg Abbott leads the charge, emphasizing his commitment to maintaining Texas as a top destination for businesses by ensuring that rising costs don't impede economic growth. His leadership in proposing this funding allocation underscores a strategic approach to cultivating a business-friendly environment in the state of Texas. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick has also been instrumental supporting the move to appropriate necessary funds to avoid increasing the unemployment taxes. His endorsement highlights the state's commitment to continue the Texas miracle by ensuring that businesses can thrive without additional financial burden. Speaker Dave Phelan has echoed this sentiment, stressing the importance of keeping Texas as a premier business destination. His focus on avoiding unnecessary burdens on employers align with the broader goal of enhancing economic opportunities and supporting the state's robust business environment. Additionally, Senate Finance Committee Chair Joan Huffman and House Appropriations Chair Greg Bonin has been key advocates. Their roles in overseeing the state's financial planning and appropriations ensure that the legislative support for this initiative is well structured and effective. Both chairs are committed to ensuring that Texas not only continues to attract businesses, but also supports them through economic challenges. Together, these leaders are working collaboratively to implement policies that ensure Texas remains a powerhouse in the national economy, highlighting their unified approach to governance and economic management. In response to these projected shortfalls in the Unemployment Insurance Trust Fund, Texas officials have announced a proactive measure. They plan to allocate state funding during the 2025 legislative session specifically to stabilize the minimum unemployment insurance rates for businesses. This strategic intervention is designed to prevent any increase in the rates that businesses pay, ensuring these costs remain predictable and manageable. By keeping these rates steady, the state aims to alleviate the financial burden on businesses, allowing them to invest more in growth and employment rather than in rising operational cost. Governor Greg Abbott highlights the state's commitment, stating, quote, "Texas leads the nation in building a business-friendly environment that entrepreneurs can't find anywhere else. With skyrocketing inflation and rising costs caused by Bionomics, businesses across the state are burdened with tighter margins than ever before. By allocating these crucial funds, Texas will ensure minimum unemployment insurance rates don't increase for Texas businesses." These savings will allow businesses to reinvest in their companies, their employees, and our booming economy, end quote. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick added, quote, the Texas Senate agrees to appropriate funds necessary to avoid an increase in the unemployment insurance tax so employers across the state can continue the Texas miracle, end quote. Speaker Dave Philman also reinforces this statement. He says Texas is known around the globe as a premier business destination, and it is important we ensure businesses in our state have the tools and protection to keep thriving. Stabilizing unemployment insurance rates offer immediate financial relief to businesses across Texas. In the short term, this measure helps businesses manage their costs more effectively, particularly during periods of economic uncertainties, such as the current inflation. By maintaining steady insurance rate, businesses can forecast their expenses more accurately, avoiding unexpected increases that could squeeze an already tight margin. This predictability is critical for small to medium-sized enterprises that operate with limited financial buffers, allowing them to plan better, sustain operations, and even consider growth opportunities that might otherwise be too risky under fluctuating cost conditions. Looking beyond the immediate horizon, the decision to stabilize unemployment insurance rates can have a profound long-term benefit for Texas' economy. First, it strengthens the state's reputation as a business-friendly environment, which is essential for attracting new investments. Companies looking to relocate or expand will find Texas more appealing, knowing that the state actively works to minimize operational uncertainties such as fluctuating unemployment cost. Furthermore, stable costs associated with unemployment insurance support sustained employment. Businesses are more likely to hire and retain staff when they feel confident in their financial projections and overall stability. This can lead to lower turnover rates and higher employment levels, contributing to a more robust and resilient workforce. Ultimately, these factors drive economic growth, foster a vibrant business community, and enhance the overall quality of life in Texas by ensuring that its citizens have stable and fulfilled employment opportunities. As we wrap up today's discussion on the stabilization of unemployment insurance rates in Texas, I want to hear from you. How do you think these changes will impact your business operations? Are you optimistic that stable unemployment rates will help your business manage costs better? Or do you have concerns about how these policies will be implemented? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights not only enrich our conversation, but also help others in the business community understand the real-world implications of the economic policy. Whether you're a small business owner in Austin or you manage a large corporation in Houston, your perspective is valuable to all of us. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it to help others stay informed. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's continue to support our local economies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your views. See you in the next video.